What's up guys, Multi here with another video. I will show you and walk you through the process of creating NFTs on Soonaverse, which are then Soonaverse compatible and withdrawable to your Firefly Shimmer wallet. In order to do that, you need to have a MetaMask wallet or maybe a TanglePay wallet. I'm going to use the MetaMask wallet. You will need Firefly Shimmer, Firefly wallet. You will need Soon tokens. You will need IOTA and Shimmer. Holy moly, that's a lot, but then you will be able to create very, let's say, professional NFTs. Let's get started. I've created a new account here inside MetaMask, which is not connected yet. So we're going to hit connect on Soonaverse. You choose the mid account, okay, connect, and the first step is done. The cool thing about this is really that you are not required to type your password. You don't have to do that. So next, what we want to create is a space, because that is what we can do. So I will call this the logo space, and logo creators are welcome in the space. We will need a logo for that. I will just use this retro kind of logo. And we're done. We create space. And for now, we didn't need any wallets, but now we need, in order to create a collection, we will need Soon tokens, and we will need to connect the collection, or the collection is owned by a space, and the space needs to have verified addresses, because the proceeds of the NFTs, if they're sold, will be going to that space wallet address. So we go manage address and verify them. And whatever address you pick here, this will be the beneficiary, the address that will receive money from your NFT sales. So I'm just going to click the button here. This will open up my Firefly wallet. Done that before. That's why I don't need to type my password, I guess. And it's sent. The money will come back. You see, I've tried to do that video already 2 times. And we're done here. So finish verification. Next step is to use the Firefly Shimmer wallet to verify the space Shimmer address. And I'm just going to use this account right here. And I'm just going to use that account, this address, right? This is the space's address, Shimmer address. You really have to do that. You cannot not do it. You have to do it. So that's cool. Our space has verified addresses. Now, to create a collection, we need to stake Soon tokens. Who has to stake them? Not the space, but the account we're logged in right here, the Guardian. Yeah. So we click this, and it will tell us how many Soon tokens we need. We need 10 Soon tokens to create collections. So let's do that. Start staking 10 Soon tokens. For how long? Just 1 week. We click this button right here. I use account where I have my Soon token. I've uploaded a video, although in German, how to get your Soon tokens inside Firefly. Okay, it's done. We're stakers. Now VIP level 1 is reached. We're staking Soon tokens, and we're able to create collections. Now it's time to create a collection. Again, a collection is owned by a space, you can say. And here you see only spaces with verified wallets show up in the drop down list and are selectable. So we've done that, so we can select the logo space here. And now we create our collection. We call it crazy logo. We will only mint 1 NFT, so I will stay singular here. So no logos, logo, a fine logo. I would set the price here, or think of in Shimmer prices or quantities, because if you mint it and still have it on sale, those prices will convert to Shimmer 1-to-1. Okay, so I'm just going to choose, I don't know, 60 IOTA available. Okay, today. Royalty, 1% didn't work, so we'll try 2%. Category, well, for me, it's art. No discounts. Does it need a banner? We will see. Limited edition. This means you cannot add NFTs later, so we'll leave that for now unchecked. Create collection, and it does require a banner. So for the banner, this is nothing serious. I will just use that logo again and create the collection. No password required. Create it. So now we have a collection, and in order to mint it, we need to publish it. But first, the collection needs an NFT. So we go create NFT, and now we just name it the logo, the one and only. Now we can upload the actual image. So I will just choose my Twitter logo. It's part of the crazy. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, okay. So that's fine. That's also fine. We go preview NFT. Why not? This is how it's going to look like. And we say create NFT. Again, no password required. I think this has changed as well. Now it holds 1 NFT. We can maybe add another NFT. Why not try that? Find logo as well. And I drag that in here. And this is quite a large image. It's 2000 by 2000 pixels. We will create that NFT. And now our collection has 2 NFTs. That makes more sense, right? It shows 1 record here. Maybe it needs some time. Now it says 2 records. Cool. Now publish collection. And after we have published it, we can mint it on the Shimmer network. Now it says mint collection. Now we create them on the Shimmer network and we will take ownership. This way we can automatically transfer them inside our Firefly Shimmer wallet. We check those check boxes and hit confirm, start minting. And now it says member must have a validated address. So this is something we also have to do. I forgot. So we're going to verify our Shimmer address here. And now this is the address where the NFTs will go to. So I will choose just another account here. Let's check out this account. Yeah, makes sense to have the different address here and not the space address. So this is send. Now we close that. We go back to our spaces. That space holds a collection, and inside end we can now mint that collection. Take ownership. No. Maybe this was wrong what I was saying earlier. We will see who will own now this NFT. Now this transaction, now we have to pay attention. So this transaction is just to fund the storage deposit needed for minting to get the NFT onto the Shimmer network. So I'm going to choose this account. I mean, it can be complicated, you know. There's a space, there's a guardian of that space. The space has addresses. The guardian, this is like our account, has addresses. And now we want to take ownership. Who gets the NFTs? Will they be sent to the space's address or to the guardian's address? We will find out now. This is exciting. I mean, I'm in control of both accounts. I think they've got minted on Shimmer. So here we see we have the NFT going to some address. So where are they? Okay, got it. So now, since we took ownership means they're now owned by this guy right here, by the guardian. Owned by this. What is this? This is my account, right? This is token staking. Are we staking here? Yes. Okay, so take ownership means the NFTs go to the guardian account, which owns the space and the space that holds the collection. Now, and this makes sense because we haven't withdrawn NFT. We just have the ownership. They're owned by this account, and now we're going to say withdraw account, confirm MetaMask. So when we hit that, it won't ask us for an address. It will simply withdraw those NFTs to our address, to this KMK address, which is not this account, but this account right here, right? So they will pop up here, right here. Let's see. We go to NFTs, we're going to withdraw that NFT, and that's it. And it's gone. So let's just wait and see how this NFT pops up right here. It must show up. There it is. It's the logo. It will show the picture. Here's the URI, and we can deposit it again, I think. Let's go back to our spaces, tokens, NFTs. Go here. Oops. Okay, this is strange. Because we did not withdraw. We withdrew only one, right? Only the logo. Here it is now. Confused here. Yeah, tried that before. Now it worked. Now this is the other NFT, and we want to deposit NFTs, right? I think I know how. You go my profile, you go deposit NFT, Shimmer, check. And now we can send the NFT to that Shimmer address. Send address. And now we need to select the NFT, which is this one, logo, recipient address, gift storage deposit, really important to do that. And now you have an NFT that is, compatible with Soonaverse. NFT has been deposited. There it is. And then you can withdraw it again. And it will come back to your wallet. Let's do it. And it does not cost money. You just have to deal with the storage deposit. So that's that. It finally worked. Sorry for that being a little bit complicated. But taking ownership just means it will be owned by this account right here. And then you still have to withdraw the NFT. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.